On the night of May 4th to 5th, the Indian Army responded decisively to an unprovoked small arms fire from Pakistan Army posts across the line of control, targeting areas in Jammu and Kashmir, including Kupwara, Baramulla, Poonch, Rajouri, Mendhar, Naushera, Sundarbani, and Akhnur. The Indian Army has confirmed that their response was calibrated and proportionate, sending a strong message of resolve. This marks the 11th consecutive day of India's retaliation against Pakistan's provocative actions, which began with similar fire on the night of April 25 to 26. Meanwhile, tensions between the two nations continue to rise. Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday, following an earlier meeting by Navy Chief Admiral D.K. Tripathi on Saturday. In a significant move, India closed its airspace to all Pakistani aircraft and those operated by Pakistani Airlines on April 30, following the deadly terrorist attack in Pahalgam on April 22, which claimed 26 lives. In response, Indian security forces have ramped up counter-terror operations across the Kashmir Valley, with the government granting the armed forces full operational freedom to act in response to these threats.